The time is here. It looks sick. Like with the lights on it.
Yeah, the booth lights are nice.
Yeah, the booth lights look sick.
Darling, you send me, I know you send me.
All right, guys, the day is here to finally paint this thing. So we got a little bit of prep, but before that, remember, March 26th, this car's gonna be done. So we're about a week out right now, and we got some crunching to do because I gotta get that inner door up in here stripped apart so we can paint it, because we have to blend this whole front end. This whole front end isn't gonna match if we just painted the fender and hood and whatnot. So I have to take this mirror apart, and we're gonna have to put color into this so you can never tell that it's painted, because obviously we want this paint job to be as perfect as possible. So on March 26th, not only is the car gonna be done, but the merch is dropping. So you can't buy it yet, it's not available yet, but on March 26th is the drop. And check this out right here. Every order gets you entered to win the Yeezys, the Xbox X, and the PlayStation 5. So check this out, we got hoodies. These hoodies are like super nice, super thick material, like just as nice as Nike or Adidas. Like I'm not just saying that. It's not some cheap, gilded, cheap ass hoodie like all these other YouTubers are selling. I actually put a lot of time and effort into getting the best materials possible. Like look at these shorts. These shorts are gonna be on the website too, and like you're not gonna find this on any other YouTuber's channel. Like this is top-notch quality, and it costs a lot more to do, and I'm not gonna make as much money as other YouTubers, but you know, I don't want to sell junk. So check out the t-shirts, same design on all of them, and even we got the crop top for the girls. This is gonna be on the back. This is just a sample, but it's gonna be the same as that, and this is gonna be on the back. So even the ladies, we got something for you. So remember, March 26th, this is dropping. Let's get to the video. We gotta make that door look like this door so we can paint it. I'd love to look up a video how to take a C8 door apart, but I don't think there's gonna be any videos online on that. Oh, there she is. 4 bolts and some clips. Leave it up to Chevy to keep it simple. Oh God, dropping door panels out here. Being the pioneer of C8s, man, you know, it's rough out here. How to pull my C8 door panel apart, you know? Wouldn't I love to look that video up? Dude, these speakers are huge. Holy crap, look at these speakers. That is a damn woofer. I don't know if I said that right. That's a freaking woofer right there, dude. That is no joke. Look at this, like no joke. Like that's a freaking 12-inch sub in the door. Damn, son. Door panel. Oh. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm an animal. Gosh, dude. Got off without breaking anything. The time has come to finally paint this thing. Cue the Hellcat starting. Oh, maybe not. Oh, we're supposed to start. Oh, there it is. I am moving the Hellcat over so I can pull the Vette out, and we're about to do a full send and drive the Corvette with no front end, which we've been doing, to the paint shop because I can't trailer it because I don't have my truck. A lot of you guys have been asking about my truck, and I've been hiding something from you guys, but I'm gonna tell you guys very soon here, so you know, stay tuned for that. I'm sorry, I should tell you now, but you know, you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for that. Dude, these shorts are honestly mad fresh, but I can't really talk about it right now. We got places to go and things to do, so let me move these prizes that I'm giving away to anyone that buys the merch. No matter what you buy, you could win them all. And not them all, actually, because there's gonna be 3 winners, but that's enough for merch plugs. I never do any sponsorship stuff, so I don't really feel bad for plugging the merch, and it's just so fire. Yes, sir. So close, so close. We are gonna be done so soon. I'm tired of freaking driving around looking like a piece of crap. I wanna be flossing. I'm tired of it. What do you think, man?
It's on the road.
Well, I just looked over, there's some guy filming me, and I don't think he's filming me because the car's sick. People are like, dude, what the hell is going on with that thing? And it's beeping at me. It's like, bro, your front end is missing. You can't be driving. That's what it's telling me right now. Look at this. Look at this old guy. They're like, what the hell?
Darling, you send me, I know you.
That was a little sketchy.
What?
You thought driving it here?
Oh, you're good.
You didn't think I had a chance to like go into jail or anything? No? Yeah. I would have pulled me over if I was a cop. So before we prep this thing, we gotta sand this door down and get this thing ready. We're not gonna paint the fenders or bumper. We're gonna do that, or I'm not gonna do that, but Nick's gonna do that later. But I gotta pull this vent off because we gotta blend this whole quarter panel since we're painting the door and the paints won't match. So we gotta put some color into here and blend it in. So I'm out here cranking on this, taking this thing apart once again. Got going on right here. You're ruining my paint is what you're doing?
Yeah, hitting a little 600.
So what, we're gonna blend in the paint here so it matches the front fender?
Yep, we're gonna hit 600 here, go out to 800, put color probably to around somewhere over here, but yeah, just making the transition so it matches perfect.
So you spray just a little bit of paint here and then you clear the whole door?
Yep, we'll put sealer on the edge, bring the paint out a little bit, and then clear the whole door. Put the fender on, it'll match perfect. All
right, well, she's not looking hot, but she's gonna be looking hot real soon. So while Nick's on that side, I'm about to be sanding on this side. I've never done no paint stuff in my life, but you know, this is a good car to learn on, so I guess I'm gonna get at it. Wish for the best and, no, what is it? Hope for the best and, pray for the best and, I don't know what it is.
Plan for the worst, hope for the best.
Yeah, plan for the worst, hope for the best. That's what I'm about to do. All right, so I just finished with the DA and now I'm getting the nooks and crannies with this here Scotch-Brite pad, getting all the little stuff that I couldn't get. So, you know, we're working fast and it's going good so far. I haven't messed nothing up yet, so that's always good. So we got her all sanded down, and now we're filling some, what are these, little cracks?
Yeah, it's just a little hairline crack. We're just putting a little epoxy behind it.
So it doesn't crack in the future?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I guess when I got hit, the fender hit this a little bit, it's fiberglass, so you gotta fill that or it's gonna lead to future problems. And then on this side, the same thing. The door got pushed back like a tad, and it just chipped this ever so much, like a little bit. It got a little bit into the fiberglass, so we're filling that with epoxy, and then we are gonna mask it, I guess, clean it, and then spray it. So the time is here. It looks sick. Like with the lights on it.
Oh yeah, booth lights are nice.
Yeah, the booth lights look sick. So we are getting her prepped. What do we got this? What is this right here? We got some
aperture tape, foam tape.
Some foam tape to get them OEM looking lines so it looks like it wasn't painted. We're rolling right along, getting her done. What's our time frame right now? What do you think?
We'll be spraying in probably 30 minutes.
30 minutes. 5 months in the works for this moment. Burning the midnight oil. It's like, not really midnight. I think it's like 8 o'clock. Yeah, 8:13. So banging her out. She's looking great. It's a moment of truth. I'm going in. I'm not spraying. I've never painted in my life. I'm not about to learn on the C8. Maybe I'll like take some pictures with the gun to make it look like I'm doing it.
Just spraying a little base coat.
Hey, I'm down for some base coat.
That's got paint on it. That's more than
Yeah, what's that guy's name that cooks the meth? What's the Breaking Bad guy's name? Walter White.
Yeah.
Call me Walter White.
Yeah.
We're ready to rock. So how long is this gonna take now?
Hopefully not long. We're gonna spray sealer, base coat, and then clear coat.
Okay.
So should go pretty quick as long as there's no issues.
Which there won't be, because we're professionals. What do we do with this? What coat do we use the vitamin water?
It's It's base coat reducer.
Oh, base coat.
Darling,
Ready to rock.
I know you sent me. Darling, sent me.
So check out this paint. It looks like gray. Some people think the car is gray. Some people think it's white. You know what? We don't know what it is. It's a little bit of both. It's a mix. It's a sick color though. That's what we do know.
I know you do. Send me. I know you do. Send me.
Passing the torch. That's for you.
Send me. I know you do. Send me.
Now it looks like I did something. It's all you know.
Send me. I know you.
We're on round 4, or no, round 5. We did sealant. We did sealant, base coat, base coat, base coat, base coat. So 3 coats and a little bit of a 4th kind of. And now we're about to do clear coat. So how many coats of clear? Is there 3?
2.
2? All right.
2 with this one.
Alright, so 2 coats of clear and we're gonna be looking real nice. Clear is where you mess things up though, right? But not today, baby. Not today. We ain't messing nothing up. So let's do it. So when do we untape it?
It'll be this way. It'll be probably tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. You don't untape it while it's wet?
No.
Bad idea?
Yeah.
It's looking dialed, I'm not gonna lie. Well, we just left the shop and I forgot my Hellcat key inside the C8 that's in the paint shop drying right now. So, you know, it's going good, but it's also not going so good. But you know, it will be okay. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna have to figure out how to get to this key without messing up the paint. What's our plan of attack here?
Where are they at?
They're in the center console. Oh, just going right at it.
Oh yeah.
There we go. All right, I'm going in here. You hold the. Oh, wrong key. Bingo. We're good. Yo, we didn't acknowledge this mullet here though. This thing's some freedom action right there. I'm gonna put it in slow mo and you're gonna give me a little wag. Well, we're good to go. I got my key, and on the next video we're gonna be assembling this thing, and the reveal is gonna be here. So March 26th, mark the date, and that's this Friday. So stay tuned, and you know this thing's gonna be sick. So you ready?
Ready?
I'm ready.
Darling, send me. I know you send me. Darling, send me.
All right, guys, remember the merch is limited. I forgot to mention this. If we sell out, I'm buying the Street Hunter wide body kit for the C8. So I really want to do that kit, but I can't do it without your help. The kit's, like I said, like 5 to 10 grand. I don't even know. I'm gonna need wheels. It's gonna be a lot of money. So that's why I'm dropping the merch. And yeah, if you guys want to see the wide body kit and you guys believe in the vision for the channel and everything I want to do and all the things I want to accomplish, you know, buy the merch. You're supporting a good cause. You're getting high quality merch. It's a fire design. You might win an Xbox. You might win a PS5. You might win some Yeezys. And also, if we sell out, we're wide buying the car. So this Friday.
Darling, send me. Darling, send me.
Oh, fuck, dude, my back. Bro, I'm 22 and my back hurts. This is not good.
Darling,